Good day, everyone. I'm Jericho Cleopas Dano from BEP ECEP 1A, and I'm a student of Professor Concepcion for our digital laboratory. So, for this subject, we were given three problems that we must comprehend, solve, and be able to apply in a real life application. So, for problem number one, the scenario is we rented a locker in the bank and our password is 111. So, in digital operation or in digital logic, how would we able to apply that? So what I did or what I experimented on is that I used the IC 08. 08 is the AND gate, and AND gate operates in a way that when there is a zero input, it will become zero, or the output is zero, low, or up. So kapag 110, hindi mo open yung locker. Pero kapag lahat sila ay 111, which we intended for, kasi yun nga yung password natin, it will open. So for this subject, we were given three problems that we must comprehend, solve, and be able to apply in a real life application. So for the first Boolean expression of our problem number two, we have y is equals the complement of not a and b or a and not b. So ito lang naman yung mga dapat nyo ring tandaan when it comes to Boolean expressions or logic operations. So kapag sinabi natin and, that is multiplication. And kapag sinabi naman natin or, that is addition. Kasi 'pag sa Boolean expression, hindi mo siya binabasa as plus or multiplication. You read it as and or. So for the second Boolean expression, we have z is equals to a or b or not c, and a or not b, and not a or b or c. So dito sa Boolean expression na 'to, iba siya kasi it has three inputs. So, 'pag gano'n, usually it indicates kung ilan din switch yung gagamitin mo. So, for this Boolean expression, we will use three, or sa aking experiment, ginamit ko ay tatlo. So, you have A, B, C. So for the Boolean expression number two, we have W is equal to A and B or complement of C. So for this one, tatlong IC yung So for the last Boolean expression, we have X is equals to complement of not A and B or complement of A and not B. So dito, iba rin siya sa ibang Boolean expressions kasi i-compare siya sa unang Boolean expression. Sa unang Boolean expression kasi, the whole expression is complement. So yung output ng lahat ng yun sa dulo, iko-complement pa siya. Pero dito kasi sa X, is yung per expression niya is merong inverter or inverter siya dapat. So for our last problem, we have the scenario of meron daw ilaw sa isang staircase na meron dalawang switch. And yung isang switch is nasa ground floor, and yung isa naman is nasa first floor. So, ang needed doon or ang dapat mangyari in a logic operation is that either of the switch can turn off and turn on the light. So, by understanding that whole scenario, whole question is nakuha mo na pwede mong i-apply yung X or logic gate sa kanya. So sa X or logic gate, um, uh, ang output niya is high or 1 when the inputs are unique. Kaya kapag yung switch mo sa first floor is naka-open and naka-off naman yung sa baba, mag-open yung lights kasi nga unique sila, on and off. Pero kapag ito naman ay in-on mo, i-depressa sila on, so the switch, the light rather, would turn off. So, gano'n lang din yun vice versa.